guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. This is probably going to be a very short unboxing because one, these pieces are carvings that are very unique, so we only have one of each, and we didn't get very many just because this is our first time working with the supplier, and they're actually a little bit hard to shop with, not because of them, just because their pieces are so in demand. So let's jump right in to our first piece here, which is so incredibly beautiful. It is an ocean Jasper nine-tail fox. He's got a little druzy vug right there and just beautiful orbs and coloring. So this supplier really specializes in carvings like this, and the prices are actually very affordable for how detailed the carvings are. Now, we did only get a handful of carvings just because, again, they're in high demand and very hard to get, and I've been so excited to receive this box because of how special these carvings are. So next, we also got some beautiful ocean Jasper moons with extremely high quality coloring and orbs. You can just see the detailing on these pieces. They're just so stunning. They have some of the most beautiful ocean Jasper. So we were able to get a few moons, and I tried to get lots of the ones with beautiful orbs and coloring. Here's what the other side looks like. So pretty, and I absolutely loved this one. These have natural vugs on them, which is just a natural little cave in the crystal. Here's a big one right here. Beautiful color and striations. The color on these is really, really nice. I think this is another fox. I honestly can't remember how many pieces we got because it was very difficult to get many. So box is not very full. Oh, look at the beautiful. Here is the next fox. His tail did just break off. I have the piece, so I'm actually just gonna try to glue it together. I don't know if I'll list this one. This one might just have to go in my collection since he's broken, but if someone's really in love with this piece and is okay with the break, just send me a message and I can get you a price, because these are really, really beautiful hand carved pieces, and I wouldn't want underprice them just because of the break. Okay, so I think these are the shells I got. I got a handful of shells that actually somebody didn't pay for, and they're not actual shells, they're crystal shell carvings, but they're so pretty. This is what actually drew me into their page. Oh no, this is another fox. Well, we do have some shells in here, but this is another adorable fox. Hopefully everything is intact. Looks to be so. Oh my goodness, how precious is this? Oh my gosh, I love the color on him. He's this beautiful olive green color. Here is our next little nine-tail fox. I love the color, you guys, on these. It's just super high quality. I've never really carried pieces like this before, if you've been around. They're just so cute. These are definitely collector's pieces. They are so fun. Oh my goodness. Look at how pretty. Ooh, this one feels quite heavy. Oh, I forgot I got these. We lucked out and were able to get some beautiful moss agate sea turtles. Oh my goodness, so pretty. They have just the most beautiful quality with exceptional carvings, and that's what I really love about this vendor, is they just have the best of both worlds, which is hard to find sometimes. We also have this one with the beautiful moss on the tail, beautiful quartz patterning. Oh, I love these. Oh, she also sent me some bracelets. We also got some silver sheen Buddhas. They might actually be a combination of silver sheen and rainbow obsidian, and they're like such a nice price, but the carvings are so cute. We've never really carried Buddhas before, so it's kind of a fun little addition. And then I do think this last package here is the shells, which I'm really excited to see in person. So these are the super cool agate shells. I've been selling a lot of real shells, but these are the agate ones, and they have druzy, and they're just so cute and precious. So here's the next one. They all kind of look a little bit different. This one has some druzy on the bottom here. And I'm so sorry for all the beeping. It's a Monday morning, so the construction workers are out, but I needed to get this video filmed. But these all have beautiful druzy on the inside. Super cute. This one is also really beautiful. The carving is just so exceptional on all these pieces. Here is that underside. Here is the next shell. And this one has some quartz on the back. This one is really, really cool. It's bright yellow with some quartz. Oh, and this one has really large quartz teeth in there. This is a beautiful snow white quartz. Oh wow. And the patterning on the back right here is so pretty. And then we have this one, which is slightly bigger, has a little portal on it. Beautiful quartz and agate banding on this one. Ooh, wow. This one's interesting. And these will all be listed individually for your choosing. Again, this is a little bit smaller of an unboxing, but really, really, really special pieces. And this is what the inside of this one looks like with all the spots. Really fun. I can almost smell the ocean. All right, you guys, that was all of the beautiful pieces from this vendor. This was the first time working with this vendor, so typically I do a smaller order with vendors just to make sure I like the quality and the carvings, etc. This time around, I honestly would have ordered more, but it is so insanely hard to get these pieces because they are in such high demand. So I am lucky I got as many beautiful pieces as I did, and I hope you guys like these pieces. And let me know your feedback on this vendor. Is this a vendor you guys like? Do you like the carving style? I've really never had anything like this before, so that's why I wanted to film an unboxing video. It's so different than carvings I've had in the past, so I'd love to hear your feedback. And if you're new here, I know I probably should have said this at the beginning of the video, but now that this video is live, all of these pieces are live. You can shop these pieces on our Etsy. It's Cold Brew Crystals, and then you can also shop our website, coldbrewcrystals.com. I will leave everything linked in a pinned comment down below so you can easily access both our Etsy and our website. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did, and make sure to come back on Sundays for studio vlogs, and make sure to come back on Friday if you want to come and hang out with us live as we unbox the crystals together. Thank you guys so much for hanging out, and I will see you on the next one. Love you. Bye. Hey, question for you. Have you been thinking about starting a crystal business, don't know where to start, or feel a lack of community? Well, guess what, you guys? I have a Patreon that has access to a private community and Discord server for just $18 a month. You can learn from other businesses, make friends, learn along with me, and topics include pricing, shipping, Shopify, Etsy, and so much more. So head over and join us on Patreon for just $18 a month. Everything is linked in my bio.